Namaste. Do you know what vaccine schedule should be followed for PCV? Let's discuss and learn some more about various aspects related to the pneumococcal conjugate vaccine.
What is the vaccination schedule for PCV?
PCV will be given in 3 doses. 2 primary doses will be given at 6 weeks and 14 weeks, respectively, followed by a booster dose at 9 months.
What is the sequence of administration of PCV vaccine with other vaccines?
The sequence to be followed is, first we give OPV followed by RVV and then FIPV. After that, PCV is to be given and then comes pentavalent vaccine.
What is the upper age limit for giving the first dose of PCV?
The upper age limit for giving the first dose of PCV is 1 year.
What should be done if a PCV dose is delayed?
Ideally, the 2 primary and 1 booster doses of PCV should be given within the first year of life at the set times. If the doses are delayed within the first year, any 2 doses of PCV should be separated by a minimum interval of 8 weeks. If the doses are delayed beyond the first year, due doses can be given only if the child has received at least 1 dose of PCV before his or her first birthday.
How and where will PCV be administered? And what dose?
0.5 ml of PCV to be administered as an intramuscular injection into the anterolateral aspect of the right thigh of the infant. What if we receive a frozen PCV vial? As PCV is a freeze-sensitive vaccine, you should not use the frozen vial.
Where should the PCV vial be kept at the immunization site?
PCV should be kept on the table and not on the ice pack. Let us once revise where all the vaccines are to be kept at the immunization site. BCG and MR should be placed in the wells on the ice pack, OPV, RVV and GE on the surface of the ice pack, whereas PCV, IPV, TD, DPT and Penta should be placed on the table.
What messages will we give to the parents?
The 4 key messages you will give to the parents are: which vaccine was given and against which diseases will it prevent? What minor adverse events due to the vaccination could occur and how to deal with them? When and where to come for the next visit? Keep the immunization card safe and bring it along at the next visit.
At which health facilities will PCV be administered?
PCV will be provided in all government hospitals, dispensaries, PHCs, CHCs, sub-centers and outreach session sites.
Will PCV be given in IMI?
Yes, like other UIP vaccines, PCV will be given in IMI.
In the MCP card, where will the PCV dose be recorded after administration?
PCV will be recorded in the revised immunization component of the Mother-Child Protection or MCP card. Well done everyone. This was a great session. I look forward to the next session with all of you. Please follow the COVID guidelines while vaccinating.